Hi there, everyone. I'm Kay. I'm the owner of Sugarbird Sweets and Teas. We are an afternoon tea company that specializes in scones. And today we're going to show you how to make your own clotted cream. It takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. So I got 4 of these half pints, and I have a very shallow Pyrex plate. Now, what you want to do is put your oven set to 170. Just pour everything in, and it takes 12 hours. So what you want to do is you want to probably do this at night when you're sleeping or right before you go to bed. And then once your oven is preheated, just put it in, and that's all you do. There we go, be careful. Set the timer for 12 hours. All right, we'll see you back in 12 hours. Okay guys, it's been 12 hours and a little bit more, and it's nighttime. We're gonna take it out, and it's still gonna be a little runny, but it needs to set overnight. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Still hot, so be careful. See how it's jiggly? And there's that nice brown crust on top. This is the yummy part. It's caramelized sugar from the cream. And we're going to just let it sit here for a little bit before you put it into the fridge overnight. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Get your scones ready. Good morning. So what we did last night was we chilled the clotted cream overnight in the fridge, and this is what it looks like. And we have a little cream which we're gonna put into this bowl for using in tea or coffee as a cream, or you can use it for baking. So what I'm gonna do is use a spoon, keep the top layer on, and just skimming all this. And this leftover is the clotted cream. It's kind of like yogurt, but without the culture. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to scrape off this yumminess right here. And this brown part is, it's caramelized cream, and it's super, super yummy. So what you wanna do is keep that on. And I'm gonna put it in here. Look at that. Not like your normal cream that you would use, like a whipped cream, but this is delicious. Look at that. It's like brown butter, but browned cream. And you can just smell the caramelization of the cream, of the sugars in the cream. All right, now I'm gonna get a scone. Just came out of the oven. All right. Crack it open. Ooh. Oh my God. Delicious. Kind of like overall enhances the scone and gives it that creamy texture, and it kind of like brings up all the flavors of the scones too. So I highly suggest it. It takes a long time, and if you don't want to do all this, we also sell the jars from Britain, or we make our own simplified version as well on our website under Sugarbird Clotted Cream. All right, enjoy.